Upgrading your home's patio doors may not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about energy efficiency, but it should be. In Washington, where homes endure rainy winters, sunny summers, and everything in between, energy-efficient patio door installation can lead to significant cost savings while enhancing your home's comfort, appearance, and value. Whether you're remodeling your home, replacing outdated sliding doors, or building new, here's what Washington homeowners should know about how patio door installation contributes to energy efficiency, and why it's a smart investment. Reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Many older patio doors, especially sliding models from past decades, are single-pane glass with worn-out seals and thin frames. These designs let conditioned air leak out and outdoor air creep in, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. Modern energy-efficient patio doors feature double or triple pane glass low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for insulation, and thermally broken frames that reduce heat transfer by blocking drafts and reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. You'll enjoy lower monthly energy bills, particularly during Washington's temperature extremes. Ideal for Washington's diverse climate zone. From the rainy coastal cities like Seattle to the dry, sunny regions in eastern Washington, the state's climate is diverse. The right patio door installation ensures your home stays comfortable no matter where you live. For western Washington homeowners dealing with damp, cold seasons, moisture-resistant frames and sealed glass prevent condensation and mildew. Insulated doors reduce drafts on windy days. In the sunnier parts of the state, low-E glass helps block UV rays that heat up your home. Solar control glazing helps prevent sun damage to furniture and floors. Choosing a patio door system rated for Washington's regional climate ensures peak performance and durability year-round. Boost indoor comfort and natural light. While energy efficiency is key, comfort is just as important. A professionally installed patio door improves how your living space feels and functions. You'll notice fewer cold spots or overheated zones near the door, or more natural light without added heat. Improved indoor air quality when opened for ventilation. New patio doors are designed to maximize glass area without sacrificing insulation, so you can enjoy bright, welcoming rooms and scenic Washington views without the draft. Increase home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient patio doors don't just save you money, they also boost your home's value. Home buyers are increasingly looking for properties with green upgrades and modern conveniences. An upgraded patio door system shows your home is well cared for, energy conscious, and move-in ready. Plus, with options such as sliding, French, or bifold design, its custom frame colors and finishes, its built-in blinds or decorative glass, you can enhance the aesthetic of both your interior and exterior spaces. Return on investment. According to national real estate and remodeling studies, replacing patio doors offers one of the highest returns on investment among home improvements. Between energy savings, increased property value, and improved curb appeal, a patio door upgrade in Washington delivers both immediate and long-term rewards. Combine this with local utility rebates, potential tax incentives, and reduced maintenance costs, and the financial benefits become even more compelling. Final thoughts. Energy savings with every slide. If you're looking for a home improvement project that combines beauty, function, and smart economics, Patio Door Installation in Washington checks all the boxes. From energy efficiency and reduced utility bills to enhanced comfort and increased property value, a new patio door brings lasting value. To get the most out of your investment, work with a trusted local contractor who understands the regional climate and can recommend the right products for your home. The result? A more efficient, comfortable, and stylish home, ready for every season Washington has to offer.